Good morning and welcome all on behalf of Evargrow. So it's already time we would start the session. So before I start, I'll just allow me a couple of minutes to introduce what Evargrow is. So Evargrow is India's first B2B engagement platform specifically for the low voltage control system and electrical industry. So along with the full-fledged e-commerce engine that you have where you can make the purchase decision for your solutions, the other initiative that we do is competency building, maybe basic trainings and product trainings by the brands or OEMs. So under that Evargrow Knowledge Series initiative, so today we have a session on intrusion system product portfolio by Vignaharta. So here, I would like to thank Mr. Dilip who has taken time for this session. So just to give you a brief introduction. So Vignaharta basically in true sense is the actual make in India or made in India company where most of the products what they offer, not only in intrusion but also in fire, gas and other low voltage systems are manufactured in India itself. So, from with that perspective in mind, introducing Mr. Dilip Sonavne, who heads the business unit for the intrusion system. So he heads the intrusion division at Vignaharta, and he would be taking us through the session today, where the agenda for today is understanding what Vignaharta has to offer in the intrusion system portfolio, right from the controllers and the other products what they have and offer, and he would also share some insights on what would be the best practice and how an intrusion can play a really important role in the security point of view. So with that, I again welcome you all for the session, and Mr. Dilip, you can just take it from here. Okay.
Uh, yeah, good morning, all of you, and thanks, Mohit. Brief and short introduction about our company as well as for mine. Thanks for the kind words. So, good morning, all of you, once again. So, this sessions we will cover about what are the product lines and we have, and which are the difficulties or which are the solutions we can offer, and how can we help out our B2B partners, and uh, uh, about any questions and about your any concept clearance whatever you required. So this will be covering this topic. So now, just now the Mohit said about our company. So uh, just now go to the presentations and you can know about our complete know about our company as well as our portfolio. Okay, so you can see about my screen. So there we mentioned our hashtag freedom from fear. So that's something one of the hashtag, and the mindset create of our all human beings regarding to not fear about any about security or fire or something, because we are there to solve this and provide a solution on that. So Vignartha, who are we? So, uh, so we are just like now Mohit said, we are the Make in India company. So that's our belief strength, and that's how our company founded in the year of 1994. Uh, uh, our director body, which are the IIT alumni, are three directors, and this is how they started the company in Make in India concept. 1994 we established, and that's how our journey started from embedded design to different product lines we developed. We have intrusion, fire, and gas. So these are the three divisions we completely design and develop and manufacture in India. That's why we say it's in Make in India companies completely. Design in India, obviously, because we have our own R&D which are registered.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how we say the Make in India, and we have our own R&D also, which is registered under DSIR, as well as we have the manufacturing setup in India itself. It's not we are something designing and sending our design to somebody out of our India or something other place to get manufactured. So we have our own manufactured buildings set up as per government norms. Okay, and the journey from Vignartha from 1994. So this is how we reached to. We are exporting near about 15 countries right now, different product lines and even solutions, even project, even we are helping in project term also for taking care of in exporting part. Okay, now the three credentials like we already discussed, we are Make in India company, so that's uh, and our firm is ISO certified against a UL registered firm. So that's how we are mentioning and upgrading our credentials, not only the manufacturing part, but also the certifications and the documentations our partners required to qualify or registered with their end customer. So that's how we have the complete certifications also for that. Okay. So now let's move on. Uh, Okay, so which are we today? We will discussing about the product line. So these are the some of the pictorials and which are the product line we have for product portfolio about intrusion. So you can see about there are panels, there are sensors, there are some accessories products like that. So these are the complete family we have and we manufacture. So just take a brief about that. Why? What is this intrusion or what is the security systems and then how it required. So So it's a basic one. Why safety security need? So obviously security need to take a protection about our assets, protection about our valuable things, and to keep a safeguard in our mindset about the peaceful sleep. So that's a three concept we can say about we can hiring the security guard or hiring or installing any security system or CCTV system to just make us secure our premises, secure our offices. So security can be any point and anything we can say. Which are the things you want to control? Which are the things you want to get secured? That things or that area can be covered under the security. Okay. So there are nothing but we can capture the evidence because in our systems or even CCTV we can see about we can record the evidence. The same way for intrusion also we can record the evidence based on the step by step how the intruder comes. So these alarms goes, then this log is captured in system. The next log, the next alarm is captured. So these are the evidence we can give it to the after the postmortem, and it's nothing but security needs for pre-intimation also. So suppose we install a security system and you close your house and just beside your neighbors, the adjacent neighbors can hear about the sounder sound, and everybody at least come outside to see about what's happened like that. So these give the pre-intimations and pre-alarms to alert about any thefts incidents before the theft incident happen. Okay, so these are the security needs we can say about. And the main thing in intrusion or any security system, we supposed to create the needs. Okay, it's not something we can. Yeah, we supposed to create needs to get business.
Yeah,
Yeah, so overview now we can say how the system works about intrusion, not be as a basic system components we can say. So there will be security panel or control panel which will take a decision based on sensor scanning. So different sensors we can say integrated with any controller, and that's based on the alarms or sensors trigger. It will generate the local alarm as well as report to concerns as a output to on GSM, just like we got a SMS and all, uh, telephone dial line, or the latest one we can say the IP connectivity. So these are the output of any controllers which are connected to end users. Like and the typical applications we can say because the major markets are like banks, shops, retail market, which are the highly valuable assets customers put into their offices or shops. So these are the comes into the security means they security already demands on the first day itself. So these are the typical or customer and we can say. Yeah. So now you can see about which are the model lines we have. So uh, now just brief about our product. So we have a VCOP series. Okay. So you can see about just like the others, just like the Hero Honda, the make. So just now we have intrusion panel series on the name of VCOP. Just now we have the Gas Leak on TrueSafe brand. So we have a internal brand for intrusion VCOP. So I just give the brief about what is VCOP stand. So we is nothing but the Vignorta, because our company, we want to promote Indian manufactured products. So that's why we don't want to hire something very stylish name in which are be very uh, what is accent based and something look like good. No, that's why we completely want to promote our Indian products. So that's why we given the name V Corp. Vignartha Corp means nothing but a police. So our products just like the investigation police, which will give the investigation about any sensors and operations. Okay. So you can see about we have the two models series. Okay, one is a metal one is a plastic one. So to understand a better way, that's why we created two series. VCOP Gold for the metal panel and VCOP Silver in the for the plastic panels. So main reason is we to introduce about these two panels to address the all types of customer base. Like the metal panel goes for industry purpose or commercial market or warehouse purpose or even banks purpose. But plastic panels will be completely focusing on residential market. Okay, so that's how we have the three panels, and you can see about we have a VCOP range. We have a wired and wireless panel, hybrid nothing but a wireless panel, and we have a standalone which doesn't have any output device. Means you doesn't send any alarms. Only the sensors get scanned, and locally on LCD screen you can see about which alarm is activated like that. Then we have a GSM connectivity where after sensing the alarms, panel send a SMS and callings to concerned numbers which are stored into the system. PS10 is the older one, which are the previously established till we can say to the before 2010 or 2005 market where the telephone line exists. But now currently everybody have the WLL phones and all. So physical, but still for the government offices and banks are still this system is going. So PS10 nothing but where you got a call from only telephone line. You doesn't get a SMS like that. And the latest one is IP, Internet Protocol, so where the database get encrypted format to report it on command software. So this is the latest one we can say is a IoT kind of thing concept. You got a reporting, you got to analysis data on your command software, and you have a complete control over there in your hand. So this is the latest one which are currently booming into the market, and we are largely selling solutions on that this type of panels. Okay, and the one thing is now we our products are completely uh, STQC certified, and that's why we are following BIS standards, and we regularly upgrading our certificates also. Okay, now, so now the one thing is now because we previous side we discuss about we have a three models, but now all the three models having some common features, just like suppose we buy any vehicle, so all vehicle having brakes, clutch, and all these are common features always we got. So just like we have the all common features without any compromising in lower brand also or lower scale lower price panel also, we are giving the all features in our panel because this is the mandatory, and that's why we develop our panel in this fashion. Okay, so you can see about we have partition based arming disarming in our panel. So you can partition about your zones, like suppose two zones you want to partitions in one, three zones are you want to partition in partition two, like that. So you can do partitions. So we have arming, perimeter arming, and design facility. Then the LED indications are different, like fault, power on, battery low, whatever, which are the on shown on our keypad display. LED indications. Then we are following real time clock. I will come back to you which are the concept we are following for GSM panel in next slide. But obviously our panel suppose we if you store for 1 year but still it's following the RTC concept, so you're getting the latest and current time whenever you switch on the panel. Okay. Then obviously we given the freedom to our system indicators. All configuration can be done through keypad. You doesn't require any third party or tool to be connected with our panel for the configurations or taking for commissioning help. So completely we given configurable menus on our keypad. Then we have a wired and wireless zones. So our panels comes in wired as well as wired plus wireless. So that panel we call hybrid. Okay. Then we have a six type of password. So you can see about one is for admin, four for user. But I especially mention one password in bold, one for duress. So you can know about duress operation. This is the one concept we given in your panel, and I'm bet into all market. This concept will be not available. This concept, like whenever somebody threatened to, suppose Chiefs caught any operator and he asks to make a system disarm or deactive. So what we'll do? He will enter the password in wrong fashion, opposite direction, just like we can block a ATM. So it will deactivate the system, but it will send alarm to the concerned users. This system is now today disarmed by this fashion. So something has happened. The operator in now some panic mode like that. So this concept also be given in your panel. Okay, so that's one of the specialty we can say we have a duress option. Then obviously auto arm and auto disarm features also we have. Like suppose some sensor get close, so panel itself understand now I supposed to get in activation mode like that. Then we have a scheduling based arming and disarming, like whenever if you want to do system automatically get follow the time schedule when supposed to get activate, when supposed to get deactivate like that. So this can also be happen. Okay, then the one thing is you can see about we have I highlighted about in bold siren pop-up. So that is one of the specialty we can say. Our systems whenever get activate, it will activate siren for 2 seconds. So it will can be audible to users. Suppose I close the shop and I'm outside, then how can I understand my system get activated or not? So this type of confirmation we are giving on audible format. Okay, suppose I am the operator, I am the something security guard, and I close the shop, but I don't have the rights to notify. Means I don't have the SMS coming to my mobile, so that I can understand the system in active mode. So how can I understand? So that's the concept we are mentioning our panel. Uh, then obviously we have a LCD system by two LCD with backlight, and we have two types of keypad options: 18 keys or 13 keys keypad. Then we have 100 numbers up to event log. It will be overwrite whenever the 100 numbers get full. Okay. Then our memory is also not non-validated. Suppose you saved any configuration, it will be remain saved till the time you not make it to factory reset or something factory default. Okay. And we have a low battery and no battery status. Also, we can give panel also understand the battery somebody disconnected forcefully or somebody removed forcefully like that. Siren and smoke trouble. So we are also giving troubles messages of our alarms, especially for siren. Somebody cut the cable intentionally before doing activity or in daytime. So you can immediately know about ki siren somebody cut down or siren got faulty like that. So these indications we also generating. Okay, for the smoke also, smoke sometimes smoke got faulty. So how can you understand? So we also generating smoke trouble messages, just like you can see about in fire alarm panels are smoke fire zone trouble messages coming. The same thing we are doing in our intrusion panel also. Okay, yeah. The one thing is all our series are in STQC certified. Okay. Now we talk about one series now. So VCOP Gold or Silver, because the two both models are mentioned, and the GSM panel we talk about some key features. So previous features we can understand about all the features will be in all three series, and other than additional based on your output device, like we have the PSTN, GSM or IP. So how the GSM panel give the benefits on GSM mode? So these are the key factors are mentioned on GSM mode. So in our GSM panel, we have the 9 wired and 32 wireless zones combination of input sensors as a input part. Then in each panel, we are given dedicated one conventional smoke zone. So our panel can become as an intrusion as well as fire panel. So suppose you sold about 1000 square feet or 1500 square feet offices. So this panel can be covered security as well as fire activity itself. Okay. So that's how we can connect up to 15 number conventional smoke sensors with any combination like smoke, heat, or MCP or response indicator, whatever. Okay. Then obviously it's a quad band GSM concept. So GSM frequency is supported. It's not VoLTE. So try to understand customer asking about is GS so GeoSIM is supported or not. GeoSIM is completely VoLTE technology. It's not the GSM technology. So which are the GSM one like BSNL or other operators other than Geo, all are be compatible with our panel. Geo's technology is VoLTE, that's completely the module and everything itself are different. So it will be not compatible with our panel, even into the market also. Now the next thing you can see about NTP time sync. Okay, so NTP time sync nothing but we are following our GSM panel just like suppose you whenever you insert the SIM card, panel got a range just like now in mobiles, current mobile. Suppose you buy any mobile, let it be mobile will be off for last 6 months. But whenever we open the mobile and insert the SIM card, automatically time gets synced based on the telecom operator. The same way concept we are following in our panel, which will be following towers or mobile operators time slot. So what is the best advantage and best benefit of that? Whenever the customer want to means there will be no time lag between the SMS generated or message generated. Suppose the incident happened 10 o'clock, so definitely your message also shows 10 o'clock. That's all. Means is it will not follow then panels RTC. It will follow GSM time slot. So that means nothing any time log or nothing any time difference will be there. Okay. So that's how the NTP concept we are following. Then obviously it's a GSM one, so we are getting dedicated 10 voice numbers. So whenever any zone scanning or zone alarms happen, so 10 number can go to voice call. 10 number also can also get SMS. So total 20 numbers we can store, and this how the customer can get the messages as well as calls. Yeah, and on the calling, how the calling can be recorded. So 20-second recording clip we can record, and the recording can be happen by mobile handset. It doesn't require to go on our panel side and do the commissioning. No, you can do commissioning remotely. Okay, so that's one of the key features also we have in our panel.
Okay.
Then the two configuration number, that means two admins persons can control the panel operations, not panel operations, but the panel communication commissioning activity. Like suppose if you want to really erase somebody's number and now want to feed new numbers, so these two persons can always have the rights to do commissioning or goes to inside menus like that. Okay. And for SMS, which are the getting we are getting messages, but our system also shows the trouble messages. So you're getting no battery, low battery, silent trouble, power fail like that. So we are generating not only alarms, but we are also reporting trouble messages, which will be useful for customers. Suppose I have the battery backup and my house light goes, so I can know about okay now house light goes. So and when the power restore, it will also send your power restore happens. So like that you can notify okay so much time your power is not available and panel shifted to battery like that. Okay, then the panel operation like arming, disarming, like activation or deactivation can be through by your SMS or by calling the concerned numbers of panel or by Android app. So we have an Android app for our IP panel, sorry, a GSM panel. Okay, then configuration by SMS and keypad. So we already discussed about this point. Then customization for dual reporting. So that's one of the key factor because we are the manufacturer and we are the designers of for this panel. So we have a complete rights and complete power about to suppose the SI partners or the system integrator partners or channel or customers partners required any special requirement on the based on the volume or based on the project. So we can have a customization can also be provided from our end. So that's why I mentioned this point. Yeah, and now the one thing is now you can see about in bold, our this panel currently empaneled in syndicate bank tender. So which are the syndicate bank tender floated in the month of January this year. So we are empaneled for next 5 years. So you have the complete about the business opportunity for next 5 years. And obviously we are completed one project with the Kopan Gramin Bank, so which where we sold about 350 numbers and this project is completed, but still we empanel for next 5 years. So anything for service activity or AMC activity, obviously there are the scope for to get a business on that front.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Mr. Dilip,
these
one
panels.
question. Yeah. Okay. Maybe where on a particular site, if the number of panels are required more than one, or if it's a chain like bank. So can this panel work in a networking fashion, or they only work in standalone?
GSM panel don't work on networking concept, but yeah, we can make it master and slave based on the means
Okay.
we can have a one SIM, and this panel will be talk on 405 connectivity, and that's how we can make a networking for that particular project. So
Okay, or the maybe my idea of asking was, can we have a common monitoring and control
yes, yes,
mechanism if there are more,
yes,
like you gave an example, 350 panels on one of the banks, but if the security head of the bank is sitting at one place and he wants to know the status of all this 350, so
yes.
instead of individually going on each panel, can he have a common console? That was the
Exactly. That's why I mentioned customization of dual reporting. Okay.
okay.
So the customer, suppose bank manager get a SMS,
Hmm.
whatever he want, because he don't have access about the CMS platform. The only CSOs which are sitting in head office, they can. So that's how we will come back to the next IP panel. So you got much more clarity about how the
Okay.
system work, and we mentioned one concept diagram also.
Okay.
So the
Right.
so our all
And yeah, and one question for the from the participant, that whether this thing also works with the geo sim.
No. So that's why I already discussed. So GeoSIM is a VoLTE technology, it's not a GSM band. So GSM band is something like GSM models are different and VoLTE's model are different. So suppose if the VoLTE models are easily available into the market, because currently in India only one operator using. So it's just like monopoly we are created. It's created in Indian market. So suppose the model can be available. So obviously it can be, again we can provide based on the module availability into the market. Okay.
Okay.
So it's nothing challenge for technological side, but just now the modules are currently not easily available. That's the only concern.
Okay.
So it will now currently only support GSM, because that's why I mentioned specifically GSM. Okay, it's not VoLTE. So VoLTE, suppose I mentioned, so GSM oblique VoLTE, so that means you can understand it will support both the Geo as well as other operators. Okay. Yeah, now the you can see about the applications. It can be work for retail shops and all jewelry, everything. Banks, obviously, we are giving the solutions. It will be also goes to residents or shop, residents, apartments or flats or individual bungalow house, and obviously the factories and warehouses. So these are the applications in pictorial form I mentioned about to get a more clarity. Okay. Now we can see about we discuss about DSM. So now we discuss about PS chain. So now I don't want to again go to each line. So like just there are 9 zones and 32 wireless are obviously available, and our panel can also be have the zone expansion facility. Suppose you want to expand zones, so you have a 8 zone expansion. So above 9 plus 8, it will be also 16 zone panel. So this panel have the facility, means all the VCOP series having the zone expander facility. Okay. Now I see about in PST, and PST is nothing but the telephone line panel. So I can see about you can see about there are 9 zones, 32 wireless, one dedicated smoke, just like we have the other panel. Yeah, but now it's having the configurable 10 numbers, uh, uh, voice reporting. So it will be combination of landline or mobiles, and that recording, which are the message recorded inside the or panel, because it's a telephone base. So it will only dial that particular number, and message will be playback whenever any intrusion happens. Okay. And the different types of troubles message we are generating, like system status and troubles and line fault indication, so it will display on LCD screens. Okay. And also this panel also empanel in the both the banks. So based on the bank's connectivity, they will choose the GSM or PSM panel or IP panel, like that. So there also I mentioned the application like banks, shops and factories. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think Mohit, you asked me about the 350 numbers panel. How can we get? So now these are the one of the panels can address that query and solution on that. So you can see about the IP panel. Okay, so it's an internet protocol. So what are the scannings of sensors? Messages get encrypted format one some particular protocol format, and it will send it to one command center where the software is kept there, and the software will understand the message from which locations comes, and it will publish the alarms. So one operator can see about all numbers of panel status on their fingertips like that. Okay. So you can see about the Ethernet port we have, and Ethernet port inbuilt. We have a configurable IP settings. So that means, suppose I have a panel connected in Visakhapatnam and I want to operate that panel from Mumbai. So I can access that panel. I can see about what are the settings are saved there. I can change the setting like that. So you have a complete control over there from your command center. So that's my specialty. You can see about it's having reverse connectivity also. You can this panel support a reverse commands also. Suppose you want to make it siren on off from command center, so you can do that. If you want to reset the panel, you can do that. If you want to arming or disarming, you can do that like that. Okay. So, and again, this panel also can be customized based on the customer requirement. Suppose customer say now you provide the IP panel, but my end customer they want a SMS something like connectivity or they want a reporting based on suppose we supply 50 numbers panel, but your customer says four customer are interested to get notifications on their mobiles. So no problem, we can do the customization for that particular four panels, and it will be completely means working with others panel like that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now the application format, you can see about there are lots of application for the IP panels. Sorry.
Yeah. So regarding the GSM option, there is one question from one participant that does it support 4G from Vodafone or Airtel or any other provider other than Geo?
Yes. So I want to clarify about that. You now the all SIMs are available into the market now. The 4G one, because 3G is already obsolete. But just understand all the partners. GSM means now, and our panels are work on voice, SMS and voice, right? Just like our 2G handset. Suppose you kept your 4G SIM in normal basic phone, which are coming under the 1,000 below range, 800 or 600, which are the basic phone, still is working on 4G phone. So same way, because we are using voice and SMS channel. Okay, so it is no problem to work 4G SIM. Yes, but our panel, which if you want to use GSM as well, GPRS features, obviously then you require a 4G SIM and activation of GPRS and all. So then in this case, you can get a SMS notification, coiling as well as reporting to software through GPRS like that. So for only GSM, voice and message, nothing. Don't bother about 4G SIM and all. All are 100% compatible with our panel. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, so we are discussing about IP panel. So you can see about there are lots of applications for the IP panel, not only banks. So banks we can provide for each branches or each ATM, and we can set up a command software on their head office or our office, whatever. So banks depend, or even they want to offload this activity to service providers of surveillance, surveillance. No problem. This our panels can send a data through VPN or secure network to their software, and with locations, with timestamp when the alarms occurred. Suppose I installed this panel in one of the ATM locations, just like Pune, and I have a command center in Bangalore. And suppose in Pune location there will be power fluctuations or panel down for last 6 hours. But in 6 hours, panel are working locally. Means I'm talking about the network connected down, but the local panel is working. Sorry.
No, nothing. I think it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So suppose in 6 hours, something like two incidents or two events are occurred, but it panel locally responded it, alarm baja, वहाँ पे siren बजा, panel ने उसको record कर लिया. But whenever you got an internet connectivity availability or panel got connected to command center, then panel will send all in queue alarms with timestamp. The timestamp means this alarm occur in daytime like 12 o'clock, but now I'm reporting 5 p.m. So command center understand, okay, this alarm now I got reported on 5 p.m., but this occurrence time is 12 o'clock. So there is no confusion between the operator also. He can know about कि okay भाई ये alarms मुझे दिन में आए थे पर अभी connected down थी इसलिए अभी इसने report किया होगा. Otherwise, what happened? This concept is not available in our panel. Then what happened? Suddenly, the connectivity established. Panel suddenly respond to all alarms. and operator got hang. He got something like 4 to 5 alarms. So he got in panic mode. बॉस अलार्म आ गए और वहां पे देख रहा हूँ तो कुछ नहीं है. So he got confused. Then he second से raise the query like आपका panel false alarm देता है. So like that, this false alarm concept, it will not be in our IP panels or not in be from GSM panels, because we are in GSM we are following the timestamp of time network of GSM service providers. In IP, we are following the occurrence and reporting both timestamps. Okay, so you can see about banks, factories, then commercial buildings also, like flats and apartments also can covered by this panel. Each panel, IP panel, connected to each flats, and there are like gas leak sensor, panic sensor for the in their bedroom, panic sensor in their bathrooms. Like that, we can have a 4 to 5 or 6 sensors, even smokes also. And through their local IP network, one software will be on their security room, so all flats notification can be seen by a security guard, and anything happens, so he can immediately goes to that floor and ask कि सर आपके घर से कोई अलार्म आया था, कुछ all okay ना, like that. So this type of security for each flat, local security. आपके अभी हर अपार्टमेंट में, हर बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स में security guard होते हैं. So without spending so much, this can also be goes for the complete security for.
Yeah, we can start.
Yeah.
Please mute your.
Yes.
Yeah. So now this we discuss about IP, but now for this is the IP panels where the data will be sent into command center. But how the command center look like? How the software look like? So I am sharing the screenshot of our software. We have the software also for the monitoring purpose. Okay. So these are the software. You can see about AEMS, Alarm and Emergency Monitoring System. So we created that one software for getting to get monitor of flat systems, alarms panels, or any retail chains or any warehouse chains, whatever. So based on customer requirement, we can provide the software. So you can see about the software we will look like. It's a web-based software. So server have the software, and all the clients PCs can access through log into the IP address. So it's a web-based software. Anybody can open it on any browser. It doesn't require any something like special workstation और समथिंग. आपका हो गया तो अगर आपने क्लाउड में भी सॉफ्टवेयर डाल दिया है, क्लाउड पे, अमेजॉन क्लाउड पे, so still you can connected n number of customer over there, like that. Okay, so you can see about the dashboard. These are the tickets format. So in tickets also, ticket nothing but the alarms come from one of the site. So you can see about the site number they are mentioned, the location number, location name is mentioned, which type of alarm is mentioned, and the timestamp. You can see the times also, right? So which date and which time is alarms are coming. This below window is showing the number of panels in which status. Like panel in some panels are in alarm status, some panel in disarm status, some panel in active status, some panel in communication fail status, like that. So these are complete. The scroll down, we can see about the panel status. And suppose I want to see, or I want to address this ticket, or I want to attend this ticket. So how the screen look like? So you can see the screen will be look like whenever I click on any alarm ticket. So this type of ticket will be open, and you can see about the we in our software we have the integration of video also. So we are supporting for currently Hikvision, but laterally we are covering to near about 4 others makes also to get video feed to be available with our software. So it's a software with integrated with video platform also. So suppose I raise the alarms, or I got an alarm, so I can verify with the help of video. So I don't have to go to particular login to the DVR and all. It's all integrated in your software. So you can see the 4 camera feed are there. Okay, and this how camera, and even you can talk also. You can start a two-way communication also from our software. Even you can face the historic video also, like that. Now this is the video part, but suppose some customer don't use a video, so no problem. This window will be completely blank. In that case, nothing to worry about that. This software can be used without video integration also. Okay, and you can see about the commands. So I said our IP panels got completely control from command center. So you can see, you can switch on siren, switch off siren, like that, or reset, whatever. So these buttons can be added as per the customization. So complete panels control also will be with operator or CMS persons. Okay, and these are the templates. Suppose I know the customer, so I can feed the customer details. Who are the owners? To whom I am supposed to address, or to whom supposed to reduce report, or some to whom we are supposed to escalate this matter like that. So these are the template we can create based on the customers, and the operator can address it and save the tickets. It will be goes to the database, and whenever you require to pull the reports, so you can generate the reports and take the reports to submit to customers like that. Okay. So now for I said about we have the IP application. So this how it look like. We created and we provided this type of solutions to one of the apartments. So just typical example I mentioned. So you can see uh, or one flat, one panel, second flat, one panel like that, and each one of this floor one like third floor, fourth floor, and these are the sensors we connected, and through optical fiber. Suppose now all the current or recent buildings having the optical connections rather than the IP LAN connections. So don't worry, we are using the optical network also, and the local or software server will be kept their security cabin or the local cabins, and it's a web-based software. Suppose any apartments having two or three gates, no problem. You just require a local LAN. All single software can be accessed to all other points. Even you can give the access to your end customers also. You can create the login and you can provide कि सर अगर आपका पैनल देखना है स्टेटस कि हम सही से काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे, तो आप कभी भी लॉगिन करके चेक करके देख सकते हो कि आपका फ्लैट को कोई अलार्म आया था, और यू कैन जनरेट रिपोर्ट्स आल्सो एंड यू कैन सबमिट द रिपोर्ट्स टू क्लाइंट्स आल्सो लाइक दैट. So these are the typical examples of how this IP systems work. So I
Okay.
mentioned about to got a clarity.
Yeah, one
Sorry.
question from me. Yeah, so this is quite a interesting case study where in the high-rise building you can have this individual. Is there any way where most of the buildings normally go for your video door phone in each and every
Okay.
flat? So any kind of integration with the VDP possible?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
VDP possible. So just we have to confirm about VDP's resolution format. Okay. As well as if they're any having PFC output, suppose the VDP having any output can generated, somebody's tampered a VDP and all. So these alarms can also be comes to their software
Right.
or comes by read by our panel, and that's how we can report it to command software.
Okay. Yeah, quite, because this is quite an interesting case study. Why? Because most of the places we see, a building may have all the security aspects put in outside the flat, security cameras, all those things. But Kaibar, we have seen most of the crimes actually happen where there is a friendly entry. So once
Right.
that
Right.
person is in, that individual in the flat does not have anything to raise an alarm, and that's where I think so your solution maybe takes care of that part also, where panic switch inside the house and can
Yes.
directly the information give to. So quite interesting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Even not in the panic, but even also we have one special type of panic can be fit to bathrooms, and it's a corrosion free, and it's having one nylon rope. So whenever any, because we required a bathroom emergency when somebody even in any medical emergency or somebody fall down, right? Because of the skiddy surface of tiles and all, because
Right.
the soap water and all, right? So it's a easy accessible rope. It will be on very normal height. So suppose somebody pull down, immediately you can raise the alarm. So especially this we recommended whenever we supply these panels to houses or apartments, and they are very much interested to install this sort of sensors. So we
Okay.
specially based on our experience and based on how can we provide a reliable sensor solutions. So that's how we design. Okay, you don't get this type of sensors specially designed for the bathrooms, not easily available into the market. Okay.
Great. Great.
So
So
yeah.
there are three more questions for people. So first, regarding the software. So one, so is that application, can it be accessible from anywhere? The central software, what you told us.
Yes. Yes. Anywhere means now suppose this is the web-based software. Suppose you install near your premises and your server is connected to the public domain. Okay, through your firewall and all. Then you can access it, no problem. Suppose you
Okay.
hosted this software to AWS server cloud. then you can access it because
So
you know
many
the IP address.
any device, any smart device having a browser, we can access, right?
Exactly. Even mobile also, even
Yeah.
just like it's a Chrome, you can access in Chrome, Firewall, or whatever. I mean,
Okay.
Mozilla or Internet Explorer, anything.
Right.
It's a web based, so
Yes.
doesn't require any workstation to install any application first. Then in nothing,
Great.
we don't require.
So one more question on the software side only. That
Mhm.
how can we bifurcate the alerts according to the criticality?
Yeah. Yeah. So you can see about I just now you can see about criticality. So whenever we commissioning or whenever we connect, means adding one panel in software. So based on their sensors, what is the sensor you configure? You in that case only you can configure. Okay, these two sensors are very critical for this particular site. Other sensors are in normal one because this can be generated by childs also, child or children's whatever, so you can mention that medium criticality. So this bifurcation can be also happens, and you can see about a graph on the top of our screen. So it will also show the which are the critical sensors as comes, how many the medium criticality sensors come. So you can bifurcate that sensors
Okay.
that sensor are reporting also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So, and is there any special specification that would be required for this server where we would host this software or this website?
So, frankly speaking, currently means we recommend it for the server, but when the number of panels more than 100 and all, but before that, let's say 0 to 100 below that. So normal i5 machines and with 4 GB plus RAM is okay for us.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah. And whether do we have a mobile app also for this software?
No, because it's not web based, no, so it doesn't
Okay.
require any app. Just like we log into Amazon Cloud, Amazon account, just like
Okay.
that.
And there is one more question that if anyone wants to just see a demo of this, so can you provide any demo link to check about this?
Yes. Yes. We have a hosted software on our AWS server. So
Okay.
suppose you if you somebody want to have that login details, so we can create the login and share to them with
Okay.
them
So
for.
what we can do, maybe for the benefit of all the participants. So what I can do, maybe after the session, I can coordinate with Vignaharta, and through mail, maybe for everyone, we will send you some product details along with maybe this demo link, active maybe for next 2 or 3 days. So whosoever wants to check can check it then. In that case,
Sure.
so I'll facilitate that for on behalf of all the participants. Okay. Yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, so now the 13 key keypad, just want to overview about that because it's on our plastic panel. So you can see about we have a alphanumeric keypad, and it will just like the mobile. Now the all our people are mobile savvy, so we have a navigation buttons also given. Suppose we go to inside the menu, so where to go back or previous. So we given a complete as a keypad make it complete as a manual. Okay, so that's how we want to give the overview, how which other trouble indications are in our keypad and all. And now the for the metal panels, this type of keypad we are providing. So you can see about we can have all arm buttons, disarm buttons, and menu one, menu two, menu three options. So you can see about menu status. Menu two show the status whenever we press the status button. So it will show the status of panel like GSM network, GSM strength, or what are the signal strength are available like that. So these are the show the status, okay, of panel, right? And third button is for use for log. Suppose you want to see which are the alarms are not able to report, not able to go to command center. So it will show IP reporting fail or GSM reporting fail with event number with timestamp. So you have a complete captured log inside our panel. Okay. So this is our overview of our keypad. Now comes to the very interesting part, the next session. I just want to give a brief idea about one. Yeah. Now that this panel we will discuss about the GSM or PSTN or IP connectivity. It can be also offered in kit format. So how the kit format combinations of like our intrusion panel, gas leak sensor for household. Suppose you talk about any residential or commercial, sorry, residential market, then we it having the gas leak, some wireless sensors, wireless remote, siren, and then another like other sensors also we can cater into the basket, and this how we can provide a kit format as a combo package to you. Okay. So this how just picture for the representation purpose, so that all the teams can got idea about okay, how we can form the team kits with our intrusion panel. Okay. Now, coming to next session. Now, the very interesting sessions because uh, I just want to cover in this session. We are the largest and major share provider for the e-surveillance. So for the banking industry, and proudly we can say we are the first who understand this. We designed the panel for the e-surveillance, and we launches into the market 2011 onwards through our one of the prestigious partner, and that's how the e-surveillance concept comes into the market for the banking industry. And now you can see about all ATMs, let it be PSU, let it be private, all comes under in OPEX model or CAPEX model. So this is how the concept we run, and just want to give the small brief idea about which panels we have, and which are our prestigious customers. So you got a better highlight, a better understanding about what are our strengths and what are our credentials, right? So now just how the e-surveillance concept works. So you can see about the intruder detection. So integrated ATM security solutions.
Yeah, continue.
Hello?
Yeah.
So integrated ATM solution, security solution we are providing. That means we are providing panel which will be integrated with DVR, which will be integrated with router, which will be integrated with third party software also. So that's why it's called integrated solution. Okay. So what is the e-surveillance concept? So you can see about intruder detection happens. So panel will scanning the zones, and it will report to the command center. Command center person through video, which are the connected with through indicator panel. They can see the video feed, and they can understand the real alarm is generated or something is false alarm. They can analyze the alarm criticalness, then how they verify it with the help of video, and that's how based on the video verification they can raise the alarm. Suppose they are seeing the real persons are trying to steal the cash or whatever, or trying to destroy the ATM machines or broking the ATM machine. So they can warn with the help of two-way devices which are connected with our integrated alarm panel. They can warn it from command center itself. Even they can listen it what they are talking, and they can record it like that. So this how the e-surveillance concept happen, and currently all banking models are working on that e-surveillance platform, because it will save their lots of cost ultimately, because e-surveillance concept is very cheaper than the physical manpower, and it will not be going on live and all but 24/7 active, and the command center itself goes there uptime also. This panel is working for today for 24 hours or 22 hours like that. So panel also sending heartbeat messages every 10 minutes to command center. Okay, I am alive like that. So this how the e-surveillance concepts are working. Now for the e-surveillance, which are we have the best solution for the e-surveillance for the or fifth generation panel. So you can see about we have a SAP 500 model, which is also the STQJ certified, and we are largely providing as a maps to most of the tenders we qualified, and that's why we are providing maps to our service partners. So this panel is because it's a e-surveillance, so it's required more number of sensors. So that's how we can see our initial panel for this banking and ATM or bank branches solutions are starting from 35 zones, and it can be expanded up to 49. And the zones like NO or NC, you can have a choice. You can configure, because our panels, just like web-based panel, whenever a panel IP you are entered, panel homepage is open, and you have a complete freedom over there. You can see about the panel status and all. Okay. And this panel will be given 4 conventional zones. So you can see, suppose I want to cover any head office of any branches, any bank or any retail chains. So you can cover about up to 15 into 4 60 smoke sensor you can connect. So that's how you can say conventional fire alarm also get covered into our intrusion panels, as well as with alarms also get reported to command center. So that's how that makes one of the specialty. Then we have UPS and mains power sensing. That means we can our panel can report to command software if this site is currently low raw power available or not, or UPS power available or not, now I am shifted to battery. So you got a complete power cup gaya tha, power cup aaya tha. This both ticket you got a command center, so you can know about the trend of your sides ki okay this side में daily आपका power जा रहा है, तो अभी you can inform to your customer कि boss I'm not getting optimum supply to on your side, please rectify it like that. So ये भी आपको ticket मिल जाता है. Okay. Then various status we can share like alarms, troubles. हमारा LCD screen पे दिख जाता है कि which are the alarms want to report like that. Okay, through our keypad. We on keypad, suppose you press the status, so you got a complete 35 zone status. It will shown to LCD screen. You doesn't require to confirm it from command center. Locally भी आप देख सकते हो कि panel में क्या चल रहा है like that. So these are the features we created in our panel. Okay. Now the one thing is now we are supporting RS485, so real temperature sensor also can connect it to our panel. Suppose you are connected, you are selling this panel to any ATM lobby or any commercial offices. Let's say one of the cloth market chain, and he want to monitor their lobby temperature. So real time data is also feeding to command center every 10 minutes. So you got a real time temperature log also. Okay. So that's how we have a RS485 connectivity. Then we have a 4 to 8 output relays with 20 to 20 ampere rating. So you can control device like signage on off or AC on off like that with the timestamp. Means you can have a schedule based programming in your panel. Automatically 7 o'clock signage will be get on. Morning 7 o'clock automatically signage will be getting off. We don't require to remember कि अरे ये इसका light off किया था कि नहीं किया था. Don't worry, panel will take completely control over there. Just like somebody opened the back door, so you want to activate the light only that time, so you can do that configurations on zones also. मतलब you can mapping the zones also. Like suppose I says कि 3 नंबर का जोन का अलार्म आया तभी ये रिले ऑन होना चाहिए. You can do that. You can map that relay on that particular zones. This type of freedom we given to your in our panel. Okay. Then obviously we are supporting CIDC 09 protocol. It's a standard protocol. So our panel can be connected to any number of software. Like we already have an integration with iComply. We already have the integration with Patriot, 2020 and all. So which are the n number of software available into market? All are compatible with us. Okay. Then or this panel are having features like 4 keypads we can connect. Okay. Up to 4 keypads, you have that complete freedom to suppose somebody says now this panel, suppose I said I take as a hypothetical example of Tanish showroom. So Tanish never allowed to install this type of panel in their marketing lobby or their jewelry presence or jewelry presentation. So they will definitely say, please install this panel to your UPS room. But now who the operator required a keypad in front lobby. No problem. Their manager lobby, you can have a multiple keypad options with our panel. Okay. Now as I mentioned in bold, one touch zone configurations. That is one of the USPs of our panel. It's a 5th generations. Our panel configuration can be you can upload the configuration file in one stroke, just like you're doing any router configuration. Configuration file you are just sending to router. Configuration file you are just sending to router. I think again one mic is get activated.
Yeah. Okay. So I think now it's clear. Yeah, we can.
Yeah. Okay. So one touch means now you can configure a panel by one configuration file. We have a configuration file concept, so you can do the whatever the changes required in panel, like this sensor to be ये सेंसर का अलार्म में इसका सायरन बजना चाहिए, इसका सायरन नहीं बजना चाहिए, ये रात को ही इसका अलार्म आना चाहिए, ये कीपैड जब एक्टिव होगा तभी इसका अलार्म आना चाहिए. यू कैन डू द एन नंबर ऑफ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पैरामीटर आप चेंज कीजिए. एक्सेल हमारा एक फाइल है, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल अपलोड कीजिए पैनल के अंदर. पैनल जस्ट बिहेव लाइक दैट. पैनल विल बी जस्ट लाइक डमी. आप उसको जैसे बनाना चाहते हो वैसा यूज कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक इफ यू वांट टू यूज दिस पैनल विदाउट कीपैड, नो प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट डिसेबल कीजिए कीपैड का ऑप्शन. पैनल को पता चलेगा कि मुझे विदाउट कीपैड काम करना है, लाइक दैट. सो दिस आर एन नंबर ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस and features are available in our panel. Now the last one thing is now inbuilt self diagnosis tool. That is one of the biggest features we are giving in our panel. Our panel is just now web based. हमारा पैनल का IP आपने डाला है ब्राउजर पे, लेट इट बी क्रोम, कोई भी ब्राउजर हो, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर हो या फिर मॉजिला हो या यूबोल्ट हो, व्हाटएवर, हमारा पैनल लॉगिन होते ही आपको एडमिन लॉगिन का पासवर्ड एंड सब पूछेगा। ओपन होते ही पैनल का पूरा स्टेटस दिखेगा कि कौन सा जोन कौन से स्टेटस में है। सो ये डजंट रिक्वायर टू कंफर्म इट योर सर्विस इंजीनियर टू कॉल टू कमांड सेंटर कि मुझे बताइए कौन सा अलार्म आया है कौन सा नहीं आया है। नो रिक्वायर्ड, ही जस्ट सी द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड ही कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई अरे पैनल का तो ये अलार्म चल रहा है, तो नाउ आई हैव टू मेक दिस जोन जोन रेक्टिफिकेशन लाइक दैट। ओके, इवन अगर उसके पास में लैपटॉप भी नहीं है या फिर मोबाइल भी नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, ही कैन गो टू कीपैड, just press the status button and it will show which are the sensors are in uninstalled zones or in alarm zones or in bypass zone. So all status आपको दिख जाएगा, so he can understand कि okay, that's why I have to make these particular zones in normal condition, then I can close the service call. So and the one specialty is हमारा पैनल को सॉफ्टवेयर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। सपोज इफ योर सॉफ्टवेयर इज लिंक इज डाउन, स्टिल द लोकल पर्सन कैन एक्सेस द पैनल एंड रेक्टिफाई इट। पैनल को रेक्टिफाई मीन्स कैसे, सपोज कोई सेंसर अलार्म में था एंड ही जस्ट मेक इट नॉर्मल, so panel itself change the status and show okay I am scanning the zones. So that's how it doesn't require to only talk to command center, it will locally also understand ki, okay I am okay now, like that. So that's why I mentioned inbuilt self diagnosis tools to show zone status. And the last thing is we proudly say we currently capture more shares, and we not only 25,000 we sold but more on that. So I don't make as something as an accurate figure, but yeah, 25,000 plus panels we sold from last 6 to 8 years. Okay, so that's our for this ATM segment. And these are the typical, we can see the ATM solutions we are providing. These are the typical pictorial view, how our BOK designs and where the sensors are kept or where the sensors are installed. So you can see about inside the ATMs are vibration, then remote ho sakta hai, thermal rehta hai. For thermal sensor are there to understand somebody cutting the with gas cutter, so rate of rise, temperature able to sense. Then chest door of cache loading sense hota hai. Then CCTVs are installed, two-way device are installed, motion sensor installed to know about which are the persons are number of persons coming inside the ATM room, like that. Glass break sensor on their glass and all. So these are the typical pictorial view I just shown to about ATM security solutions. Okay. Now our valued customer, not only for the banking segment, but the other panels which we discussed like VCOP, which are empaneled in syndicate and all. So these are the our prestigious clients you can see about through our channel partners, through our partners. So there are lots of banks. Even we cater about our wind turbines customer like Siemens Gamesa. So we provided in Jaisalmer very threat prone area, in very high temperature area. Our panels are running from last 7 years. Even Powerica. Then we covered Tanishq jewelry channels also. Even MACD also are one of the customers. Paran Space schemes, which we're talking about apartment solutions. So we covered near about 8 projects of Paran Space schemes. Each flats connected our IP panels with sensors and monitor on their security rooms. Okay, just like we can say senior citizen complex, we can get monitored. So these are the our values prestigious customers. Yeah, now to come down to last segment, auto dialers. So I just ramp up with very fastly for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So so we have a dialers. So you can see about a dialers model. We have a AD4010 and AD1010. So we have a 4 input dialer as well as 1 input, 1 output dialer. Okay, and we have a 4 inputs. So 4 inputs can be configured with NO or NC. We have a one output relay, two output relay. In fact, one is linked to our 4 inputs. Whenever any input get triggered, so one relay get activated so that you can drive the siren or you can connect the siren. And one relay dedicatedly you can make it on off based on your requirement. Okay, so इसमें आपको वो मिलेगा. Then again 4 dedicated having 10 number voice reporting and 10 number SMS reporting. So आप में इसका 20 number आप feed कर सकते हो, like. And the one thing is specialty indications, you can see signal strength and all these are indications. Remote configuration, so that is one of the biggest thing we can say. Our dialer doesn't require any app or any tool to configure. अगर आपने dialer आज लिया है, suppose you supply to end customers, and end customer ka site after 6 months getting live or commission, and the commission site will be in Gujarat, and you are sitting in Mumbai. So how can you configure? No problem. You can just ask customers कि boss आपको इसके अंदर क्या क्या नंबर डालने हैं, just text me और WhatsApp me, किसका किसका क्या रखना है, इसमें वॉइस क्लिप क्या रखना है, क्या रिकॉर्ड करना है, लाइक दैट. आप उनको बोलिए कि आप उसके अंदर जो सिम डाल रहे हैं मुझे बताइए, उसका नंबर बताइए. You can do configuration from here itself. Okay, you can fit the number here itself. You can record the voice clip here itself. आप अपने मोबाइल से उसमें वॉइस क्लिप भेज सकते हो. You can read the configuration कि उसके अंदर क्या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेव किया है वो देख सकते हो. You can modify it like that. Okay. And input sensing, yeah. मैंने आपको बोला है कि we have 4 inputs, NONC type you can set. Also, suppose some of the applications where your output device, आपको जिसके साथ में ये डायलर कनेक्ट करना है, that output device doesn't give any NONC type output, but it will give in voltage form output. And you want to monitor कि वो जब भी ये voltage form का signal आएगा तो you supposed to get a notification. No problem. Our dialer can also sense 12 to 24 volt DC input signal. Okay, whenever the signal is available, it will act as an alarm signal, and it will send the SMS and callings to concerned numbers. Okay, then this dialer have the unique application for guard sleep alarm monitoring. If you want to know about that, just ask us. We will share the spec sheet of that. This dialer also can be used for a guard tour alarm monitoring. Okay, so it will be fitted to guard, and you guard will be wake up for every 15 minutes. If it doesn't respond, doesn't acknowledge, message will be sent to their supervisor so that they can know कि रात में ये कितने टाइम पे मुझे मैसेज आया. दैट मीन्स गार्ड वहाँ पे अवेलेबल नहीं था या वो कहीं पे सो रहा था. सो दैट मेक्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवेयरनेस platform without any much more investment of any command center or any big scanning syncing and all, like RFID को जाके tag करेगा, then you download the report and all. No, you can immediately know your status daily basis. So that makes one of the guard sleep alarm monitoring we have. Then the one thing is I just mentioned the pictorial cache van. Cache van also we designed our solution on JSON dialer, and this cache van solution also be providing for cache vans, and we supplied near about 200 number plus cache van get secured with the help of our GSM dialer. So if you want to know about that, just ask us to Evargo, and we will submit the solution on that, and how you can cover that solution. And the one thing is now operating voltage. Now our dialer work from 9 volt to 32 volt DC supply. That means suppose you want to use the dialer with any fire alarm panels, which are mostly fire alarm panels are operating on 24 volt, no problem. It doesn't require to connect any third party 12 volt adapter for dialer. You can just tap the signal and give it to dialer. That's simple. So from 9 volt to 32 volt, we have a this much wide operating range for our JSON dialer. Okay. So you can see about we have the inputs, 4 inputs indications, output LED indications, then signals indications and all. Okay. Yeah. So just we come to last parts, where just only 2 parts are there. Okay. Now accessories. So I just mentioning which are the special sensors or special device we have. Other sensor I'm not covering. So these are the one sensor I say iChest. Okay, it's a very unique sensor, and we registered patent for this sensor. It's having 5 output: vibration, heat, tilt, tamper, and door sensing. We are largely using this sensor in ATM machines. One sensor will be covered for 5 alarms, and the installation become very easy for our service partners. उनके service call reduce हो गए because we are not installing any physical contact on chest door. It's sensing it because of the light technology. It will sensing door opening and closing of ATM machine. So that's why we are largely selling the sensors for bankings, safes, and ATMs machines. Okay.
Okay, but here can we get it's a common output or
No, individual output. We are getting
okay, so
individual output.
if a vibration has caused the alarm, I'll come to know that it is because of vibration.
Yes. So that's why this model having 5 individual output, as well as suppose some of the customers say, no, I cut down the wiring and all. So give me the common output. So that common output model also we have available. Both the
Okay.
models we have
Okay.
available with us. Okay. Even in this IHS, we have a 2-dimension also. It's a 5-dimensional. We have a 2-dimension also, which will give heat and vibration. Suppose the customer having the budget concerns and they want only 2 vibrations. They are not using the door and all, but they require vibration and heat in one sensor. So can we have the solution? Yes, we have the 2-dimensional model also with us. Okay. Yeah. Now the come to last exercise we want to discuss. Hello. I think NK
Yeah.
something.
Okay, you
Hello.
can continue. I guess he's muted.
Okay. So now we have one sounder with battery backup, which will be mostly using for the banking applications and retail chains, shopping malls and all. So you can see it's having the tamper-proof arrangement, inbuilt battery, inbuilt SMPS, everything. It's a metal enclosure. Suppose we install it outside, it's just like 1 GB. Nobody can understand it is a siren. So it will give the complete. Suppose inside the siren and panel get attacked. Whenever the cable cuts and a panel completely shut down, that only it will be get activated. It will be no, don't get activated on any alarms, normal alarms activation. Whenever the any tampering with panel happens or panel completely somebody close down or switch off, that only it will get activated, so that the suppose the bank के अंदर कोई चोरी कर रहा है, पहले चोर वही करता है कि he just wipe out the camera's view with the help of cloth and all, then he cut the cables. सायरन का भी पूरा सिस्टम का पूरा केबल कट कर देता है, बैटरी ने सायरन एवरीथिंग. सो कुछ नहीं, उसको पावर नहीं मिलता है. In that case only this siren get activated. It will be kept in outside. So बाहर का उसको आने के लिए टाइम लगेगा. And it's having inbuilt battery backup. Suppose he cut down his cable, no problem. He's having inbuilt battery backup, and it will be stand for at least 4 hours. Okay. So that's why we mentioned the application for banks, ATMs, factories, and retails. Okay. And these are the accessory sensors we have: wireless door contact, vibrations, smokes, motion sensor, key based spanning switch, and all. So we have a wireless family, wireless door contact, wireless motion sensor, wireless smoke sensor, wireless remote. So these are the family we have in wireless category, and the different sensor in our brand on wired sensor. So we have a shutter sensor in metal category with aluminum casting, so it will be corrosion free and it's a long lasting, its durability ज़्यादा है. So these are the typical sensors family we have. So that's how. And some of our achievements for in intrusion category, you can see we are consecutive three times we are winners of Shield Award, 2015, 16, and 17. Then for e-surveillance, which are we talk about for banking, and for the wind turbines, we designed one solution. And for that, we got a Shield and Fist Award in 2007, 2017, and we got a prestigious award from our IT award from Government of Maharashtra in 2010 and 2018. And we fall down to best SME, best 100 SMEs in 2016 and 18. So that's how our some of our achievements and credentials for our intrusion segment. Okay. And yeah, we proudly say we are the first to introduce e-surveillance concept and panel for the banking industry. Okay. So that's how I have just round up my presentation. So any questions are welcome.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Mahendra, I guess you have a question. Maybe you can just unmute yourself and ask if you have, or you can type. Okay. Or maybe if anyone else also has. Till that time, there was one question on the dialer side. Auto dialer, does it also supports 4G SIM?
Yeah, it will support 4G SIM because we have a two-type dialer now. One is a GSM dialer, that is we talk about, which will be sending SMS and call. So call and SMS doesn't require more than 2G network. So 4G भी रहेगा चलेगा, 2G भी होगा तो चलेगा.
Okay.
And when we talk about GPRS, obviously we required internet connectivity, that in that case only the 4G is only available. So 4G SIM will be okay for voice reporting, SMS reporting, and GPRS reporting.
Okay,
We are
great.
okay with 4G.
Great. Yeah, Mr. Mahendra, you can ask now. You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Yeah. Maybe if you are speaking, we are not able to hear you.
And better we
Mr. Dilip, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear. Yeah.
Mr. Dilip, this is Sridhar calling from Securtech Automation. Just I would like to have a question. The e-solutions, what are you giving up a solution? Is it possible that we normally do with API integration? Is there anything API can be shared from your EXE?
Yeah, so that means you have the API based CMS platform.
Yes, we normally what we do is we take API integration with XYZ and we develop a dashboard to give a solution to the customer, like XYZ, all integration in one single platform.
You're calling from Securtech, right? Chennai, right?
Hello.
Calling from Securtech, no? Chennai.
Yes, no, Bangalore.
Okay, Bangalore. Yeah. So now we are following CRDC protocol. It's a completely embedded platform, but no problem. We have our own panels API also. Okay. If you want to integrate, then definitely just let us know. We can share our API format so that you can just copy paste on your API platform, and that's how our panel can understand. Okay.
Great. Yeah, anyone else?
And the last question, if you can share us your PPT, it will be great helpful to make us my pre-sales team to understand what is your product, where we can pitch in the market.
Okay, so I think Evergo team can again that call with us. So
Yeah, I will coordinate that so that everyone who has attended the session gets the information what has been discussed today. Okay, and if any further required, you can write. We can always get back and connect to Vignaharta on a specific requirement, specific training requirement also for only your organization. That could also be arranged somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. Any more question, Mr. Mahendra? If your audio is okay, can you just ask? Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Please.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hi, can you go to the sensor slide, please?
which one? This one?
No, हाँ, ये इसमें आप स्लाइडिंग विंडो के लिए कौन सा सेंसर सजेस्ट करते हैं?
Sliding window, we have one PR that is split PR only have the very curtain PR we can talk about. इसका जो angle होता है बहुत window के ऊपर लगाना पड़ेगा. You have to install above the window, and when somebody want to enter, it will sense.
उसका डिटेक्शन एरिया कितना रहेगा?
डिटेक्शन एरिया उसका एंगल बहुत नैरो एंगल होता है, and it will only means we will share with the spec sheet, no problem. अगर आप हमारा वेबसाइट देख सकते हो तो you can got the detail also. और
सेंसर को
Evolve also we have listed on that this product.
सेंसर को विंडो के इनसाइड लगाना है कि आउटसाइड?
inside में आपका टॉप साइड में. Yeah, you in between window में लगा सकते हैं. Suppose your window having the bricks about 8 inch plus, so you can install the top side of window in center.
Okay.
Okay, great. Maybe any more questions you all can type in. Till that time, maybe I take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Dilip. Maybe quite insightful, both in terms of product that you have to offer and the different applications. So it's not just the pure vanilla intrusion that you are trying to do, but you're trying to solve problems maybe of different segments with the solution what you have. So that high rise building one is which got me interested. because that's what I think most of the people lack. Okay, now for the
One
yeah, tell me please.
one small query, may I ask?
Yeah, sure.
We suppose the further dealing is being done through Vignaharta in future, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, so far, any kind of system has been given by Vignaharta in Maharashtra, or let's say specifically or precisely in Pune itself.
Yes. So I think Dilip can answer this better. So where Vignaharta itself is Pune based organization. So Dilip, can you answer that? Maybe they are asking maybe more, I guess, from a reference perspective. So what is your reference?
reference.
Yeah.
A system has been already given, and it's being working in Pune.
Yes, working in Pune. So we have already this. You talk about senior as a high-rise building. You talk about solution.
Okay.
No, which solution you are asking? The basic intrusion or a high-rise one or the banking one?
Intelligence system, basically.
Okay.
Yeah. We have the end customers which are in Pune, and because we are the manufacturers, so we do the direct business with our end clients. We have the channels just like Evergo or others distributors and all network.
Yeah.
So these are, but yeah, we have the end clients installation also. If you required or any references, so obviously you can. We will connect to the SI partner, so they will share the end customer details where we install, and you can have the verifications also. You can do that. No problem.
Yeah, because the panacea for all the further and physical element is references. For that purpose, from that angle, I asked it.
Yeah, no problem. No, we never say, because customer satisfaction is ultimately our goal, and the security is point of view. The customer happy, that only they can recommend us the new references, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's why we say is we have the one of the challenge customer in Jaisalmer, and Jaisalmer, you know about, very border area of India. The some and all dust, sand, land, this one, and there are lots of smuggling doing, and wind turbines customer very in very panic mode. Every alternate day they have got a cable cut, and cable cut cost is itself is near about 10 to 12 lakhs, because it's a very copper lossless cable, and it's a high rise 90 meter turbine. So they just stolen this cable and sold in the gray market. So they want to cut down this theft activity, and not only they lose their this cost, operational cost also they lose, as well as the generation cost also they lose. Okay. So they ultimately the customer suffers. So we designed this type of challenge solution, and we provide it. So you can understand about, we just want to understand the customer's pain, and because we are the manufacturers, so that's our strength and our R&D. So we can design a special solution based on customers' volume and customers' long-term relationship.
Okay. So we have that kind of support with us.
Yeah. So maybe anyone else who wants to understand more about the product. So on evargrow.com, the products are already listed. The data sheets, everything is available there. Secondly, if any specific requirement, you can always mail me or communications. Dilip, I would suggest, if in the chat window you can also just put in your email ID. So anyone again wants to get in touch, so they have all the coordinates available, both of Evargrow and Vignaharta. Okay. Yeah. So this was what we wanted to cover today. Maybe again we would be just give us your feedback in terms of any more sessions that you want, any specific product and for Vignaharta, so that again in the coming days we can arrange. One suggestion what Dilip I think of, so today it was more about the complete portfolio, right? If we can have sessions where we take up one application, like a banking application or a ATM application or a high-rise application, and it need not be a complete, maybe a 45-minute session where we go into more depth, that what are the few aspects that are required for that design for that solution, and what Vignaharta offers. Maybe in future that kind of sessions, I guess, would be helpful for the participants also, right? Yeah.
No problem. So basically you want to target, say, some segments by solutions which you are providing, or which are how to make this segment by solution designing point and how to
Yeah,
generate
what are the basic, like for example, we say high rise on the top of it. When I see the solution, it looks very attractive. But what would be the challenges? What are the few things? So we discuss more about, maybe in one session we can take two case studies. So maybe in that way, all the participants or whosoever joins would be, maybe for him also it becomes more easy whenever they are talking to any prospective customer, right? And okay, so with that, I would like to thank you all. And regarding the demo link, that I would be coordinating with Dilip and sharing all of you along with the other details. Most of you have also asked for some presentation, so I'll just coordinate with them that whatever is possible to share, everything you would receive on your mail, which you have put in while logging in. So whatever mail ID you used while logging into the this meeting, on the same mail ID, you will get all the details. Okay, so with that, Dilip, I would like to thank you also to taking time, and to all the participants. So today, I think the most of the places the lockdown is getting over. So now it's back to business. So I think this was the right time to have such kind of sessions. Yeah.
Thanks, Evergo team, and especially Mohit about coordinating this session. And that's why we want to grow. Not only we grow, but we want to grow we. So as a team. So that's how this platform and your opportunity for introducing us. Thanks for that. And let's see. Yeah, sure. We will continue about the solution based and something like the booming into the market about which products are and which solution we want to work on. So definitely this type of solution and this type of presentation sessions we can conduct, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think there was one question by Mr. Dhyaneshwar, that main power is down, message received, power failure, as few minutes, power start, control panel not respond. I think most of such panels would have a battery backup. So even if your main power is down, so there would be provision of secondary power, so that so the panel would still be on. Maybe that would be the answer.
Yes. Our all panels are not come without battery, so no question about to design a panel without battery. So that's all we say is about we are sending the low battery and no battery. Even somebody is not connected to the battery, somebody remove the battery, so still it panel we got a message no battery. That means somebody removed the battery. So that's how we integrated with battery backup in our panel.
Yeah. Okay, thanks everyone. Let's look forward to meeting you all in some other session. Thank you, Dilip, and thank you, Vigna Arthati. Thanks.